Welcome back. I'm Mike. Today's pursuit has it all. Reckless driving, intense police maneuvers, and an ending you won't believe. Let's roll the footage. Ocala, Florida. Deputies spot a gray Toyota van tied to two suspects they've been hunting. Behind the wheel is Todd Marchesano and his passenger, Tina Nabafeld. When deputies move in, the driver makes one thing clear. He's not going back to prison. Both suspects are pulled from the wreckage. Marchesano now faces multiple charges. Nabafeld is charged with dealing in stolen property and falsifying ownership.
Yep.
5916.
Road is clear. Just livestock division. 26, pitted at the livestock.
Fort Smith, Arkansas. Late at night, police spot a red Chevy Impala pushing 100 miles an hour. The car has no plates, and the driver, later identified as Vladimir Tejada, shows no signs of slowing down.
Westbound on Rogers, traffic's light. Can you let them know I'm going to be taking over property?
Do you need me to contact Van Buren PD?
I'm on. We're at South 18th. It's a red Chevy Cobalt. Speed's 70, passing South 16, still heading westbound. Traffic's light. I'm primary.
10-4.
10-4 Northwest toward Garrison Avenue.
7-4 Smith. I'm not with him. I'm traveling parallel.
Traveling on oncoming traffic.
10-4.
TBI.
The Impala rips through Fort Smith, hitting 90 on Rogers Avenue. A first TBI attempt misses, but seconds later, another trooper lines up the move. The hit lands clean, spinning the Impala out before it can reach busy Garrison Avenue.
Yeah.
10-4 PDI.
Get out of
Tejada was arrested and hit with felony fleeing, reckless driving, DWI, and refusing a chemical test, among several other charges. Cobb County, Georgia. Officers get multiple 911 calls about a semi-truck barreling down Dallas Highway, swerving and nearly colliding with cars. When police catch up, they discover it's not just reckless driving. The truck is stolen. The bobtail semi roars onto Barrett Parkway, weaving between northbound and southbound lanes like it owns the road. Traffic is forced to scatter as officers close in. Despite its size, the driver throws it around with alarming aggression, but every move just tightens the noose.
Yeah, boy, try to ram police vehicle, continue. We're gonna notify GSP.
7514, he's now entered the other lane of traffic, and now he's just crashed back over to the correct lane. see if you can get a helo. 1022, he's wrecking. He just wrecked out radio.
Eventually, officers box in the stolen semi and take the driver into custody. Charges include felony fleeing, reckless driving, and possession of a stolen vehicle. Newton County, Georgia, an orange Dodge Challenger reported stolen near Gross Lake Parkway sets off a fast-moving pursuit.
Affirmative. Parkway. And what we have brought down by Playline as well.
Well, we got two troopers with it as well.
10-1.
1050, 1050, 1050.
Get out of the car! Stay down! Stay down! Don't move! Do not move! Get your ass on the ground! Get your
The Challenger blasts past the stop sign, tires squealing, nearly clipping traffic. On Fairview Road, speeds soar past 90 miles per hour as the suspect weaves across lanes and ignores red lights. With nowhere left to run, the car slams into a ditch and power pole.
You're under arrest. You understand? Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, 1046.
Thank you for wrecking. Because I was about to have to wreck you anyway.
I ain't got nothing.
I don't care. I'm going to still search you.
That's cool.
Nope. I can't hear you. What? You can? You know, if you'd have just stopped, you'd have been a lot better off. Said if you'd just stopped, you'd have been a lot better off. Sit down.
The driver was taken into custody without injury and booked at the Newton County Jail. Charges include felony fleeing, reckless driving, and possession of a stolen vehicle. Interstate 40, Arkansas. Deputies spot not one, but two gray Teslas flying eastbound at high speed. When one slips away at an exit, the other doubles down, pushing well over 90 miles per hour through heavy traffic.
Get on the ramp. Yeah, eastbound on 40. Coming up toward the Walmart exit.
Looks like 24 is with it.
Light traffic stopping up here, be careful.
Looks like they parked it.
Yeah, somebody spiked him. He's still over 100.
Go 40 on the shoulder, east on 40. Hold traffic, hit it. Go again, go again.
Hey.
Yeah, wait. Alright. CBI, successful 24 hit.
I got it. He's busting that tire.
CBI, DEI. Here's 144.
The Tesla weaves through lanes at triple-digit speeds, narrowly missing stopped traffic by squeezing through the right lane. Finally, around mile marker 282, a trooper spins the Tesla, but instead of giving up, the driver slams into the patrol unit and tries to keep going.
He hit 24's car. I rammed him.
Inside the car, police find marijuana and digital scales. The passenger, Taylor, is charged with possession. The driver, Williams, faces fleeing, reckless driving, aggravated assault, unauthorized use of a vehicle, and more. Turner County, Georgia. Deputies wrapping up a traffic stop suddenly spot another vehicle flying down over 100 miles per hour. When they try to pull it over, the driver briefly slows, then punches it, sparking a dangerous pursuit.
1214, come on, 30 is now. 15 now.
10-4 go ahead and show me 1080. Looks like I'm in a certain display. King Mary Hickory 238. King Mary Hickory 238 passing 70 and a half south. County passing 70 south, speeds are 109.
75.
Go ahead and notify Tiff County TSP, Carter 7. County, we're stopping at Highway 125. Right, 10-8. Heading west south on 125. Passing mile marker 15 on 125.
Passing mile marker 15.
County, we've stopped. 125 mile marker 15.
10-4.
Driver, step out of the car! Driver, step out of the car! Roll your window down!
Fullwood Road. Just turned into the church parking lot. Rose Hill subdivision. Which one? crossed straight over from 125. Like there in the front.
The chase rockets south into Tift County. Speeds stay high as the suspect weaves through traffic, pushing the car to its limits. Deputies stay tight, waiting for the right moment to end it.
Turn right on 125 when it's in the store parking lot. See it. 1050 County.
Bit. 1050 County.
Once stopped, deputies find marijuana and ecstasy inside the vehicle. The driver is booked on felony fleeing, reckless driving, and drug possession. Interstate 40, Arkansas. A trooper spots a white Ford Fusion weaving through traffic at nearly 100 miles an hour. When he tries to pull it over, the driver floors it, pushing speeds to 120. What started as a routine traffic stop just turned into a highway pursuit.
Doing something in the car.
The Fusion cuts across lanes without signaling, blasting past semis and cars alike. The trooper lines up and executes a TVI near the 284-mile marker, sending the car spinning toward the shoulder.
Outside shoulder.
The suspect, Joseph Page, didn't stay free for long. The very next day, he filed a hit-and-run complaint about his own vehicle. Troopers showed him the dashcam footage, and he admitted he was the driver. He was promptly arrested and charged with felony fleeing, reckless driving, and more.